What's going on, guys? I want to do a little analysis on the NQ futures. So this morning's open started off a little bit choppy. Again, nothing to be concerned about. If you guys are following the 20 SMA play, you notice, there was a few setups that set up long, set up short. Nothing was really having any sort of follow through that first 30 minutes of the market open. Now, one thing that I was really focused on and a level that I was focused on in Evolution Traders this morning with some of the team was, guys, just stay patient because patience is going to pay. What we were looking for and what I was kind of emphasizing is let's take the opening hour. Let's see what the range is. If you notice, the first hour we put in a high to 17,585. That was taking out the overnight session highs. So if I was to look at this area and put a little bit of a price level line here, there's the top of our range. If you notice the first hour lows, so this was the trade that, a lot of the guys, we had a lot of people, if I could just read off some names here, because again, I love to give kudos to everyone. We had Shifting Gears take $762 across 6 of his PA accounts. We had Drac up 375. We have Cato up 251. We've got DC up $537. We've got Biggs up $447. Again, guys, fantastic moves here. Now, that first move that I really wanted to focus on was the break of the first hour lows, because again, you want to know where is that opening range, and if we get out of that opening range, do we even have potential to take a trade? Now, if you notice to the top side, if we were to confirm the highs, it's open sky, so we would have had some area to, some room to kind of run and take that long position. But if you notice the back test, notice the first hour candle here. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. is going to be the first hour candle here for me. If you guys don't have it set up that way on your charts, you can just look at the first opening range 30-minute time frame. Now, below that opening range 30 minutes, we had support sitting here at this Bollinger Band around 17,439. Like, you can't even make this up any different. We came right into that rising support here. So again, if you kind of look at this 5-minute time frame, and I'm going to kind of take everything off of my chart so it's a little bit more clear. We obviously understood that 439 rising Bollinger Band was going to be the level. So if I was to just look at the 20 SMA play here, or excuse me, the 20 SMA on my screen, so it's a little bit more clear. Notice the first hour lows, guys. Notice the first hour lows. If we were to confirm first hour lows, we had potential. Now, once we broke through the first hour lows, there's one of two ways that you could take this trade. You can allow this trade to close below the lows and then take the confirmation. This was a 31.5 point range here. This candle here was a 40 point range. So you can see here, essentially you could have taken out 20, 30, 40 points almost out of the market on this confirmation through first hour lows. Now, if we were to get over the highs here at 17,585, that would have been our long potential. But if you notice here in the middle, right? Notice in the middle, right off the open, there was a lot of choppy action here the first 30 minutes. I definitely recommend a lot of newer traders or people who are trying to, pass their valuation accounts or their funded accounts, and you guys are trying to take these payouts. No rush off the bell. You're going to get a move later. Kind of just X this out, put it in your trading plan that you don't want to trade the first 30 minutes of the market. And then after the opening hour candle closes, look for those breakouts either through and thin on either side. Again, make sure you have potential. Not every day you're going to have potential like this to catch 30 or 40 points on the downtrend. And I'm not saying that you need to catch a full 30 to 40 points. Again, the ATR was sitting at around 20, 25 points on the Nasdaq 100 5-minute time frame. So if you get into this move here below the opening range lows, look to take 20 points on the downside. And if you get that 20 points, lock it up and call it a day. Again, you don't need to sit here and try to snatch 100 points out of the market. You don't need to sit here and be a hero. Just make some money and call it a day. Make some money and call it a day. Get in, get green, and get out is what I like to say. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to trade with me each and every single day live, you can definitely join the room down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the inside. To those of you guys who are on YouTube, I'll catch you guys all in the next YouTube video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you got to do. Bell notifications on, and I'll catch you guys all next time.